Hi, everyone. My name is Rommuk, like Mike introduced me. I'm from True Corporation. We are only fully integrated communication provider in Thailand. And we are here today, and thank you for UNESCO for inviting us to be a speaker here and share with you guys that what we have done for helping Thailand education. Okay. True Corporation, we have, I don't want to say Corporation Social Responsibility Project. It's now become our sustainability development plan for True Corporation. Education is important, like everyone knows. Our CEO, Kun Supachai Jirawanon, he have a very strong passion and very clear vision that ICT, especially ICT, is the fundamental for the country competitiveness. That's why when we launched communication service maybe 10 years ago, we tried to bring our innovation and communication service to help education development. And under True Plookpanya project, in English called Planting the Wisdom. True Plookpanya means planting the wisdom. And under the planting wisdom, we focused in 3 areas, which is cultivate knowledge, virtue, and the love of environment. And the core and the main idea or the concept of True Plookpanya is that we want to provide Thai youth and teachers and the public and to have equal opportunity to access information and knowledge with our technology. Under True Plookpanya, we have major projects called Broaden Children's Learning Experience for underprivileged schools nationwide. We launched the project, True Plookpanya project, in 2007. And we know that in order to help the country education, we have to help reduce the gap between the city and the underprivileged area with using our technology and innovation. Back to True Plookpanya school, we have 2 types of school. The first one is the standard True Plookpanya school. All the school where they will receive educational programs and equipment, 1 set per 1 school only. And the other one is the model school. The model school will come from those standard schools that have maximized use of our media, and then they can apply for the model school. Now we have about 6,000 standard schools, and for the model school, we have only 58 schools in 32 provinces. Here's the number of True Plookpanya schools from the first year that we launched, 2007, up till now. We have, the end of last year, we have 6,000. And we target to have 10,000 schools under our project. The 10,000 schools, the number come from where? The number come from the government data. They said that they are for the primary school in Thailand, underprivileged school, they have about 30,000 schools across Thailand that's very poor and very far away. So we're trying to help and bridge them into the information technology. 10,000 schools. And here's the list that we provided for our standard school. We provide them with, at the first time that we don't have a 3G or 4G license yet, we provide them our cable TV service. We bundle all the documentary programs, about 80 channels. And we have digital content, which is a very compulsory subject taught in the school. And we have a lot of educational program and equipment, easy capture to record some TV program, and also have educational content. And the very important one, I'm sorry. This is like the key jigsaw. Previously, we don't have, we just have only the equipment. And also we have the content in the website. But those schools, the 6,000 schools in upcountry, they don't have internet access. So 4 years ago that we launched the 3G, we provide them the air card and unlimited internet access for the school under our network. So the school can connect the internet. Right now, all of the school can connect the internet. With the internet from the government is not enough. It's called IP star. Actually, the speed is very, very slow. And for the model school, we top up with the additional equipment. We will provide them more computer and the TV in every classroom. That's the difference between standard and a model school. Every classroom have a computer and a TV. And also we install the local area network and a server for the school, and SMA TV, and also the circuit television broadcast in the school. So the school can broadcast, they will have like a mini studio in the school for the student to practice their communication or their news reader or whatever they want to do. And not only that, for the model school, we know that most of the school, they have the elder generation of the teacher. They are not capable to use the ICT device for sure. So we hire a IT officer to help support the teacher in a model school also. And this is one of the most important things that we have done for the education development in Thailand. We have developed the largest knowledge database in Thailand. It's called Plookpanya.com. The website contains the largest knowledge sharing database. We allow people, teachers, and the public to share their knowledge here in our website. And also we have the examination and test for all levels of education. And also have a web board and video, and everything about education is here. Not only that, as most of the TV channel in Thailand, they have most of them are entertainment and news and something that's not contribute to the education at all. So our CEO, he has got an idea that we should have an educational program for Thailand as well. So this one's called Plookpanya TV channel, and we also integrate the ideas of ethics and the virtue in this channel as well. And here's the list of the documentary program that we provide for all Plookpanya school. And come back to the capacity development. Those are the equipment. You will see that, right? Hardware, software, equipment. And the reason why we do the capacity development, because we have done the survey every year, and we found that still a few number of schools that utilize our media. That's quite sad, actually, because we provide them a lot, but they still don't use it. So how can we help them to use it? We know that they have a lot of problem in using the modern and high-tech technology because they're older generation, but I think we have other ways to help them. And here it is. We try to set the target. What's going to be the characteristic of Plookpanya school? So we divided into 3 areas. And we want our Plookpanya school principal to be like the visionary, have a vision towards the ICT. And he got to be the leadership, and he knows how to manage the ICT. He doesn't have to have ICT skill, but he got to have a management skill to encourage and follow up his teacher to deploy the ICT in the classroom. And for the teacher, we want to have the teacher who got an ICT skill. We want to have to see them utilize and the maximize use of our media. And the student from Plookpanya school must have an ICT skill. This is the we targeted, and we want to apply it as like our indicator. So we start with what? We start with inspire them. You know what? A lot of schools, they are far away in the mountain, in the rice field, very far. They don't have inspiration. So we got to bring them to see something like Broaden, to inspire them what the world's going on and how they can apply themselves into the world. So we have a contest and brought them to South Korea and Singapore, and then took them to visit the leading ICT school in Singapore and South Korea, and then just to help them to see and get some idea to apply in their school. And then we also assign them to work on initiative project on ICT as well after they come back. See, they will see a lot of like a best practice in other country. This is outcome. This is just a sample. Actually, a lot of model school who joins the trip, they come back with their initiative ideas after the trip. I like to show the significant one is in Macam. Macam is like a middle school in up north of Thailand, Chiang Rai province. They come back from the concept King ICT. So the classroom will well equipped with high-tech and advanced programs, and then the director, the principal, he trained all the teachers, of course with the support from Plookpanya, to become the master on ICT, and that will not just prove, but the proven will be on the student. And after the teacher and the principal set up the King ICT classroom, the student wants a lot of ICT skill award in a national level. So every year they will show us the certificate. So this is the kind of proven that we try to inspire and make them like have a broadened perspective. The principal is very important in the school. And that's not enough, because our overseas trip is just once or twice in a year. So we have training and workshop. You will see that when we work on the CSR project, we will not just deliver equipment and then stop. No, we know that capacity building or ICT skill capacity is important. So continue ongoing training and workshop is very important. And we bring them together and have like training closely, and what can I say? We divided into like a principal training on the leadership. For the teacher, we train on ICT skill, and also they plan together how to maximize use of our Plookpanya in each subject in the school. Our media and the software program will be just supporting. It's not like the key or the compulsory, but will be a support, like a tools for the teacher to help the class is better. And the training, actually we have a massive training in 2011 in 77 provinces. All year we train. And after come back and done the survey again. And still few teachers apply our media. So that's the reason why we come back with the idea that we have to do like a exclusive workshop only for those who are interested in our ICT and our media. So we try to focus only for the school who have interested in our project. And then we try to train them like to make them like a coach, and they can be the expert, and they can teach the other school as well. So in one school, which is Ban Don Sai Ngam, this is the sample of the teacher in Ban Don Sai Ngam school. I would say that 100% of the teacher in this school, they can teach all the IT gadgets that we provide them. And even the older teacher she's about 59 years old. She knows how to handle all the active board. She know how to handle all the program in the school. That's because the leader of the school, he kind of have like decisive decision that every teacher must do it. So this is because of the leader. And not only that, the other thing that we like to stimulate our model school to be better and better, we have evaluation every year. And the evaluation will come together with the award. So we put like an active board. Maybe all of you knows about it. The interactive interactive board for teacher and student to learn. They're quite interesting, and the teacher like it, and the student also like it as well. The active board, it connect with the internet. So they quite have like a large like a home theater in a classroom. So they can see a video in a big screen, and then they have a lot of program bundle with the active board. So all of school want to apply for the evaluation. And we have a level, fair, good, and excellent. For those who got an excellent level, they will receive 3 active board. And this is the criteria. The leader must have leadership, the principal, and also the student and the teacher must show that performance in using our media in their learning and teaching. And the other criteria is that the teacher, the principal, the school, the model school must show us that how many networking or nearby school that join through Plookpanya, like member get member idea. We're trying to bring the marketing mechanism in applying to our project. And for the standard school, we not forget them, even though they are not interested in our media that much. We're trying to convince them to join our contest and bring them to abroad, to help them to have inspiration and broaden perspective, and also an active board for them, but just only one active board. And this is the last one. Our project, we just got endorsement from the government. It means like those principal of the model school who passed the evaluation from True Plookpanya, they can bring this certification as a recognition, which they can have their ranking of level in the government position. This is I think would be important, and this is the key thing that to help the leader of our school interested in our project. And then that's all.